Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to create poll on Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in. Also, you have to know that you can create poll on Messenger only on group messages. So select the group message available or create a new group message. I'm gonna open this group message. Then you can see on your screen there's option like plus sign, camera, gallery, mic, reactions, etc. All you have to do is tap on that plus sign right above your keyboard. There you go. Now you can see you can send your location, create a poll, or send the games. Now select the poll option. Under poll, you can see they're gonna ask you a poll question. Type in your poll question, then add option. I'm gonna add this, then they're gonna keep giving the option by the name of add option. Now all you gotta do is write the options and tap on create poll. Now there you go, you can see that's how you create a poll on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.